Okay, here's our layout for the kitchen. Starting with a top-down view, I have this wall number 2 right here at 22 feet. This one at 99 1/4 inches. Looks like there's a little wall here, and the island is 6 feet. One thing I did not know, but not necessarily mission critical right now, is how wide this window is. I have it 75 inches on center from the corner. So, assuming this is 60 inches wide, have our apron sink centered on the window, dishwasher to the left, trash roll out to the right, and a drawer stack here. This is the cooktop cabinet, 36-inch cooktop, so this drawer would be usable, although it's going to be shallow, maybe only 2 inches tall and about 15 inches deep, because the chassis of the cooktop is going to protrude into it, and the gas line in the back, which will need to make this drawer a little shallower, maybe 15 deep. Spice pull out to the right, tray divider, another drawer stack to the left, your refrigerator here, and the sizes I have, this will fit. 96-inch ceiling. So the photo you supplied me that I got, that is, I guess, a 48-inch tall hood. If your plate line is 96 inches, it's a little tough to pull off a tall hood per the photo. We can still do a hood, but right now, if we keep the bottom of the hood at 72 inches from the floor, which is a good comfortable height, this hood is 21 inches tall. And we can do a little style to it, meaning this would be a shaker panel, and it's sloped back. There are some other styles that we do where the front is radiused, meaning curved, and the sides are curved up, but typically we need a taller ceiling to pull that off. So we can work through that, figure out a style that you like and also fits in that space. So the hood is on center. You notice these cabinets are the same width left and right. And I default to making the uppers left and right of the hood symmetrical over the bottom. Just with the layout, we can't have this cabinet and this cabinet all symmetrical with the hood just because of other factors like the window. So this is your fridge wall. Rolling over to double ovens. This cabinet, if we don't want to do a Lazy Susan, that's fine, is shaped like this. The door opens, and you can do if you want to make a note, a blind corner unit or a cloud. If you want to look at some of those options, they're not complicated, but there's just a lot to them as far as hardware and mechanism. But if you don't want a Lazy Susan, that's your option. Double ovens, a drawer underneath, drawer stack to the right in between here. And the island at 6 feet this way. Looks like you have an overhang on the back. We can delete these wings, but if it's 6 feet, you'd comfortably fit 3 bar stools. If we put these here, you're down to about 2 bar stools. Figure 24 inches per bar stool for space. But if we delete those, 3. So appliance lift, if we put it off to the side, that's fine, but it just starts complicating and making inefficient use of some other cabinet space. So my 2 cents is on the front of this island. This is the front view. Whoops, I've got notes all over here. Your microwave, a drawer underneath. This would be the appliance lift. And that appliance lift, the bottom comes to about here. So you can do a roll out behind that door and then another 3 stack here. The back of the island, a couple panels, and then these guys that come out 12 inches. So in between, the wings. Right now you've got 52 inches, or enough for 2 bar stools. That's our layout. So let me know what you think of this. We're going to, of course, move anything around that you like. Let me know. Thank you.